I was listening to the ocean. I saw a face in the sand, but when I picked it up, then it vanished away from my hands. I had a dream I was 7, climbing my way in a tree. I saw a piece of heaven waiting patient for me. And I was running far away. Should I run off the world someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. I was dancing in the rain, I felt alive and I can't complain. But now take me home where I...
Hello beautiful souls, Kim Crystal here and welcome to today's DIY Light Up Dreamcatcher tutorial. I hope you guys like how it looks. Don't forget to give this video a big like and subscribe down below if you haven't already. So, the story of this Dreamcatcher goes, I was walking around Kmart looking for dog jackets for my dog Zamira, and I saw this lying around. And when I saw Hoop, I thought Dreamcatcher. So what I initially had planned was to do a half moon Dreamcatcher in this shape, so it goes like that, and then the web is like there, so then it doesn't touch the light bulb. But when I was walking around my craft room, I saw these hoops which I made in uni, and I had this one left open, so I had to weave this one, but the rest I weaved quite a long time ago. But I really like how it turned out. It is such a different piece. I haven't seen anything like it. So yeah, it's just different. It's either your cup of tea or not at all, but it's kind of cool just to try out new ideas. So with the feathers, they are just white feathers that have spray paint over them, so just gold spray paint. I did that over newspaper and just let them dry. I did that many years ago, so you guys can do that. It's really simple. And yeah, if you guys haven't already, I would really love if you guys could vote for our DIY tutorials in a contest down below. I will leave it in the comments section so you guys can click and vote over there. It would help me so much if you guys could vote on that to support the channel. And yes, if you guys would like to buy some DIY kits, that's another way to support this channel. I'll have them in the description box down below. So yeah, let's not delay and jump right into today's tutorial. So this is how the lamp looks. So it's a pretty random looking thing, to be honest. I haven't seen anything like it. And it just switches on like that. If you guys are new and you haven't seen some of my videos before, if you want to learn how to weave a Dreamcatcher, just go to my playlist titled DIY tutorials. It will show you how to weave the web. It's very simple, so we're not going to add in that step in this video, but there are about 10 other videos showing you how to weave different styles of weaving, so you guys can check that out.
I don't like walking around this old and empty house, so hold my hand, I'll walk with you, my dear. The stairs creak as the sleep is keeping me awake. It's the house telling you to close your eyes. You were the shadow of my life, did you feel us? Another star, you fade away, afraid I'll aim us out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now?
You know I want you. It's not a secret I try to hide. I know you want me, so don't keep saying our hands are tied. You claim it's not in the cards, but fate is pulling your mouth.
Our hero claims a warrior's heart. I'll tell you, the dragonborn comes. With a voice wielding power of the ancient order. Believe, the dragonborn comes. It's an end to the evil of all Skyrim's foes. Beware, the dragon
enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. So I cannot wait to see you guys next time. I'll see you later. Bye!